Class 6, Professional Ethics and Human Values. They are embedded together. See, we know that professional ethics is necessary for maintaining, enhancing human values. Now, to what extent they are embedded? Okay, see, the following three types of human values are embedded. First case, human values on which profession is based, and the professional values which a person is expected to follow. Let us take example of a doctor. His profession is doctor. Human values on which the profession is based. In that profession, what all human values he has to follow. See, when a patient is brought or patient approaches the doctor, okay, he is going to do profession. But patient is not like an object or a machine to be handled. He has to handle as a human being. So he has to follow some human values as well in his profession, caring the patient and handling the patient, etc., etc. As a human, okay, if the patient is boy or girl or baby, etc., he has to handle like that. He cannot handle a boy patient, male or female patients according to profession. It is according to human values, right? So he also has to follow some professional values in the profession. Sometimes he will have to touch the body parts as profession. So sometimes, okay, at that time he will consider the body as only an object to a great extent. So like that. So at that time he has to follow both the human values and the professional values together to full extent. He cannot sacrifice one for the other. So like that. Next, impact of professional values on the client. See, impact of professional values on the client. A client is a common man. Doctor is acting with the profession. Just imagine when a person, a coolie, lifts a luggage, or when a doctor lifts an operating instrument. Both are lifting, but handling will be a little bit different. And other professional values, how a doctor has. So these values, impact of professional values on the client. Okay, means impact of professional values on human beings. Next, professional values and socio-culture values. See, socio-culture values means in a society, different cultures are there. Each culture has adopted its own value, maybe due to different religions or different sects, languages, places, etc., etc. So that also will be are embedded together. They are interactive, means there is effect of one on the other. If both values are adopted together, it will become positive. One should respect the other values. A common person, a common client, when a doctor handles his body, okay, the client should not get upset, even if doctor crosses limits to some certain extent. He should be ready because doctor is operating his body. So like this, similarly, professional values and socio-culture values. In some culture, say, for example, say, in some culture, uh, cow is considered to be great. Okay, cow should not be killed. But sometimes some company will kill a cow for experimenting. There are companies which cosmetic companies, pharmaceutical companies, which do experiments on frog, uh, rabbits, and then even uh, this one, ili andre mouse, mice. Okay, so all these things are there. So what impact of that profession on society? You might be knowing Menaka Gandhi had applied a case in Supreme Court regarding that in a college, medical college profession, cutting frogs for studying should not be permitted. It is violation of animal rights, like that. So effect of profession on society or culture. Okay, these are embedded together.